Crazy Chef. Today we're making steak and cheese. So hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and drop me a comment. But today we're making steak and cheese, just like that. So what we do, we make sure our grill is hot. Then we put our peppers on, our onions. Cook that up. And don't forget, if you like this video, and don't forget, hit that like button, drop me a comment, and if you're new to the channel, hit that red subscribe button. So today we're just making a Philly cheesesteak. We're gonna use some leftover prime rib. So this leftover prime ribs have been shaved, cleaned, and cut. So we're making Philly cheesesteak. We're gonna I made myself some cheese sauce. So I'm gonna leave my cheese sauce here. Let it stay hot. This is what we're gonna use for Philly cheesesteak, made with some leftover prime rib. We're gonna throw that prime rib on. And what we do is we took some ciabatta bread. So this is our ciabatta bread. What we do, we take the insides out and we're gonna fill it with cheese sauce. Then we're gonna put the prime rib. Then we're gonna put mozzarella cheese. Then we're gonna bake it in our oven. So it's kind of gonna look like a pizza, but it's not really a pizza. So put the rest of our meat on. So we'll let that cook. See, I'm gonna put some ground black pepper, but you don't have to put it. You can put whatever you want, actually. As I always say, you take the idea and you can twist it however you want. And we try not to use a lot of oil, just because there's some fat on the prime rib. So that's why we try get these onions. And if you don't want to use onions, you don't have to use onions. If you don't want to use green peppers, you don't have to use green peppers. You can use bell peppers. You pretty much, the most important thing is the steak. You can do it with chicken too, if you want. But the most important thing right here is the prime rib. So we let that cook up a little bit. And if you could smell this, it smells so good. So, if you like, this prime rib was cooked medium rare. So if you like it on the rarer side, all you gotta do is add it to your bread whenever you want. But just because this is a little older, I gotta bring it up to temperature, so it will be on the weller side, be like well done to medium well. And because I put my cheese sauce here, I give it a little turn. See here? My cheese sauce. That's gonna be pretty good on a sandwich. This one. So this is pretty much what you want to do. You want to take your cheese sauce, put it to your bread like that. So the cheese is the cheese sauce is the most important thing. So you can put a lot of it. So it's cheese sauce, meat, then it's the meat. Plenty of cheese. So then on a baking tin, we're gonna cover this one and we're gonna leave this one like that. Then we're gonna put it in our oven, let the cheese melt, bread's gonna get a little crispy, and then we're gonna go from there. So let's put this in our oven, and then so this is our steak and cheese sandwich. Nice crispy crust, plenty of cheese, steak, onion, nice and hot. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Crazy Creative Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Plenty of cheese.